The cable crossover is a variation of the pec fly that effectively isolates the chest muscles while creating an excellent stretch and consistent tension throughout the full range of motion. If the cable feels like it's pulling you back, you can stabilize the movement by taking a staggered stance and bending your upper body forward while pressing the weights downward. Here's how to do it correctly. Set the pulleys at a high position with D handles attached. Stand in the center of the cable machine, holding a D handle in each hand with an overhand neutral palms facing in grip. For more stability, you can stagger your stance by taking a step forward with one foot for balance and bend forward at the hips. Tighten your core to maintain stability and protect your lower back. With your arms extended back, with a slight bend in your elbows, bring the handles down and forward in a sweeping arc until your hands meet close to your knees. Pause for a brief moment as you focus on squeezing your chest muscles. Under control, slowly reverse the motion, allowing the handles to return to the starting position while maintaining tension in your chest. Keep a slight bend in your elbows throughout the exercise to avoid stress on the joints. The movement should be smooth and controlled while avoiding jerky motions or swinging the cables. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.